Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best drone on Amazon in 2026, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, content creator, traveler, or a beginner wanting stunning aerial footage, today's list features some of the most advanced drones available. We've selected the top 5 best drones on Amazon based on camera quality, flight performance, obstacle avoidance, battery life, intelligent flight features, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's take to the skies. Number 1. Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro V3. The Autel Robotics EVO 2 Pro V3 is a premium professional drone designed for photographers and filmmakers who demand exceptional image quality. Equipped with a 1-inch Sony CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 6K HDR video and 12-bit DNG RAW photos with remarkable detail and dynamic range. Autel's Moonlight Algorithm 2.0 dramatically improves low-light performance with an impressive maximum ISO of 44,000. The included 6.4-inch Smart Controller SE provides a bright display for outdoor flying without requiring a smartphone. With up to 40 minutes of flight time, a 15-kilometer transmission range, and full 360-degree obstacle avoidance, this drone is built for professional aerial photography. Pros: large 1-inch Sony CMOS sensor, shoots impressive 6K HDR video, outstanding low-light performance, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, Smart Controller SE included, up to 40 minutes of flight time, professional-grade image quality. Number 2. DJI Mavic 4 Pro Fly More Combo. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is DJI's flagship consumer drone and one of the most capable aerial cameras available in 2026. Its advanced triple camera system features a 100-megapixel 4:3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, delivering incredible image quality for both photography and professional video production. The Fly More combo includes 3 intelligent batteries, a charging hub, and the DJI RC2 controller with a built-in display. With an impressive 51-minute maximum flight time and up to 30 kilometers of video transmission, this drone is designed for serious creators. Advanced intelligent flight modes, obstacle sensing, and precision tracking make capturing cinematic footage easier than ever. Pros: powerful triple camera system, 100-megapixel Hasselblad camera, excellent 51-minute flight time, DJI RC2 Smart Controller included, long 30-kilometer transmission range, advanced obstacle sensing, professional cinematic performance. Number 3. Bwine F7GB2 Pro Drone. The F7GB2 Pro is an excellent drone for beginners and intermediate pilots looking for premium features at a more affordable price. It features a stabilized 4K UHD camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, professional-looking footage. 3 included batteries provide an impressive total flight time of up to 75 minutes. GPS-assisted intelligent flight features include Follow Me, waypoint navigation, orbit mode, and automatic return to home for safer and easier flying. With a control range of up to 10,000 feet, this drone offers excellent value for recreational pilots and content creators. Pros: smooth 4K UHD camera, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 3 batteries included, up to 75 minutes combined flight time, GPS intelligent flight modes, beginner-friendly controls, excellent value. Number 4. DJI Air 3S Fly More Combo. The DJI Air 3S strikes an outstanding balance between portability and professional imaging. Equipped with both a 1-inch CMOS wide-angle camera and a medium telephoto camera, it gives creators incredible flexibility for capturing cinematic shots. It records beautiful 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, while DJI's Omnidirectional obstacle sensing helps keep every flight safe. The Fly More combo includes 3 batteries and the DJI RC2 controller, allowing for longer shooting sessions without interruption. Its intelligent tracking and automated flight modes make it one of the easiest drones to fly for creators of all experience levels. Pros: dual camera, large 1-inch CMOS sensor, 4K 60 FPS recording, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, 3 batteries included, excellent image quality, reliable DJI flight system. Number 5. DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More Combo. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is the perfect drone for beginners, travelers, and creators who want professional performance in a lightweight package. Despite its small size, it features a large 1-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing stunning 4K video and high-quality still images. Active Track 360 allows effortless subject tracking, while omnidirectional obstacle sensing improves flight safety. The unique 225-degree rotating gimbal enables creative shooting angles that are difficult to achieve with traditional drones. The Fly More combo includes 3 batteries and the DJI RC2 controller for extended flying sessions. Pros: lightweight and travel-friendly, large 1-inch CMOS sensor, beautiful 4K video quality, Active Track 360 subject tracking, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, innovative rotating gimbal, 3 batteries included. That wraps up our picks for the top 5 best drones on Amazon in 2026. If you're looking for the ultimate professional drone, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro stands at the top with its powerful triple camera system, outstanding flight time, and industry-leading imaging capabilities. The Autel EVO 2 Pro V3 is an outstanding choice for photographers who need exceptional low-light performance and stunning 6K HDR video. For buyers seeking the best value, the Bwine F7 GB2 Pro delivers premium features at a budget-friendly price. The DJI Air 3S offers the perfect balance of portability and professional performance, while the DJI Mini 5 Pro is ideal for beginners and travelers who want a compact drone without sacrificing image quality. No matter which drone you choose, each of these models delivers impressive performance and can help you capture incredible aerial photos and cinematic videos. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest drone reviews, tech comparisons, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.